Hello students, myself Rajneesh, your chemistry teacher, and today I am going to start new chapter, second chapter of chemistry of 10th class, acid, bases and salt. Name of the chapter is acid, bases and salt. The first topic of this chapter is indicator. What are indicator? Indicator, as its name suggests, it indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution by color change. If we have a solution, suppose of a liquid A, if we have a solution of a liquid A, then if we don't know whether it is acidic or whether it is basic, then we use indicator to identify, to know whether a given liquid is acidic or basic. So indicator is a substance which tells us the given solution is whether acidic or it is whether basic. So nothing is complex here, simple definition. Indicator tells us whether a given solution is acidic or basic. In detail we will go into in the further next topics. And then the types of indicators. Types of indicators, there are three types: natural indicators, synthetic indicators and olfactory indicators. So there are three types of indicator mainly: natural, synthetic and olfactory indicator. First is natural, as its name suggests. Natural indicator means the indicator, the substance which the source of which is nature, means which we obtained naturally from the source which is natural. So indicator obtained from natural sources are called natural indicator. There are different examples of natural indicators: litmus, turmeric, red cabbage, china rose. So many examples of natural indicators. The first is litmus. Litmus is a natural indicator. We get it from lichens, and there are two kinds of litmus paper. We have red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. We have red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. So how red litmus paper and blue litmus paper indicates the given substance, whether it is acidic, whether it is basic? So let us know. If a substance is acid, then it change blue litmus to red. And if that substance is base, then it will turn red litmus to blue. So that is the difference of acidic and basic behavior whenever it is mixed with litmus. So acid the acid changes blue litmus into red and base changes red litmus into blue. So this is the natural indicator. We get it from natural source. Litmus is natural indicated because it is obtained from natural source. And how it indicates whether it is acid or base? It turns blue litmus turns red if acid, and red litmus turns blue if it is basic. So that is the first natural indicator. And the second one is turmeric. Turmeric is also, its color is yellow. It also shows different color for different acid and bases. So that is for acid. I will send you notes also. And then the second type of the indicator, that is called synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicator. So as you can see its name, synthetic means which are man-made, which are prepared in laboratory. The indicators which we synthesize, in laboratories, are known as synthetic indicators. And the examples of synthetic indicators are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange are the examples of synthetic indicators. And if we talk about the phenolphthalein, what it do with acid or base? It remain colorless with acid. The color of the phenolphthalein indicator is colorless, and if we add it in acid, if we mix it with acid, then it remains colorless. एसिड के साथ इस पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता, ये कलरलेस ही रहता है. बट इफ वी मिक्स इट विद बेस देन इट टर्न्स इनटू पिंक. जब बेस के साथ इसको मिक्स करते हैं तो ये क्या हो जाता है, पिंक. सो phenolphthalein इज a synthetic indicator. How it indicates whether acid or whether it is basic substance. Phenolphthalein changes to pink with base, but it remains colorless with acid. That is its property. And the second indicator, synthetic indicator, is methyl orange. Methyl orange is a second indicator, and it has also some properties. Its color is orange, as its name suggests. Its color is orange, so its color change into red. Orange से क्या हो जाता है, red, when it is mixed with acid, and its color changes to yellow when it mixed with base. So ये behavior है methyl orange का. ये these both are synthetic indicators. The last type of indicator is called olfactory indicator. The last type of indicators are called olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicators are different from the indicators synthetic or natural. The difference lies in the fact that the previous two indicators, whether they are synthetic or they are natural, these two indicators change their color when they are mixed with acid or base. So these indicators, synthetic indicator or natural indicators, they change their color when they are mixed with acid or base. But olfactory indicator change their smell. They don't change their color, but they change their smell when they are mixed with acid or base. They give different smell when they mixed with acid. They give different smell when they are mixed with base. So this is the difference, that other indicators change color with acid or base, but olfactory indicators change only odor, means smell of the. For example, onion is a olfactory indicator. Juice of onion loses its smell when mixed with base. जब बेस के साथ हम मिक्स करते हैं ऑनियन जूस को, तो ऑनियन जूस की जो अपनी एक नेचुरल स्मेल है वो उसको लूज कर देता है, वैनिश हो जाती है वो स्मेल with base. So that is because its smell changes, because when earlier it was giving smell of onion, and when we mix it with base, its smell vanishes. जो इसकी स्मेल है नेचुरल वो खत्म हो जाती है, मतलब चेंज होगी स्मेल. सो इसको बोलेंगे olfactory indicator. बट इट्स स्मेल नॉट चेंज विद एसिड. लेकिन अगर इसमें हम एसिड डालें तो इसकी स्मेल है वो चेंज नहीं होती है. तो किसी भी ऑनियन जूस है हमारे पास, तो उसमें अगर हम एसिड डालेंगे तो स्मेल चेंज नहीं होगी, तो बेस अगर डालेंगे तो उसकी स्मेल है वो चेंज हो जाएगी. तो ये फ़र्क है जो एसिड और बेसिक बिहेवियर का ऑनियन के ऊपर. सो ऑनियन इज ए olfactory indicator बिकॉज इट चेंजेस इट्स स्मेल व्हेन मिक्स्ड विद एसिड और बेस. इसी तरह से वनीला ये भी अपनी स्मेल है वो चेंज करता है, एसिड और बेस में डिफरेंट बिहेवियर शो करता है. नेक्स्ट इज after indicators. So I am taking the topic of acids. What are acids? So in detail we will discuss acids, its taste, its properties, physical properties, chemical properties, all we will discuss one by one under this topic, acid. Acid is what? First of all, what is acid? In 4 points I try to डिस्क्राइब एसिड. एसिड आर सोर इन टेस्ट. जो टेस्ट है एसिड का वो क्या होता है, थोड़ा खट्टा होता है. जैसे लेमन है वो एसिड है, टोमेटो है उसमें एसिड होता है. लेमन में सिट्रिक एसिड होता है, टोमेटो में ऑक्सैलिक एसिड होता है. सो द एसिड यूजुअली सोर इन टेस्ट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड्स. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज, acids are sour in taste, and the second property is acids turns blue litmus red. जो अभी हमने पहले भी देखा कि एसिड है, if any substance is acid then it change blue litmus to red. The third property of acid is when acid dissolved in water it give H positive ions. So the most important property of acid is it gives which ion? H positive ions. So acid give H positive ions when it is dissolved in water. When acid is dissolved in water, when acid is mixed in water, then what it gives? It gives us H positive ions. This is the inheritance property of the acid. The D point, acid solution in water conduct electricity. Acid solution, if we dissolve acid in water, then that solution conduct electricity. सो एसिड का जो सोल्यूशन है उसमें से बिजली है वो पास हो सकती है, वो क्या कंडक्ट करता है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दीज आर द 4 पॉइंट्स कि एसिड आर सोर इन टेस्ट, एसिड टर्न्स ब्लू लिटमस रेड, acid dissolved in water give H positive ions, and acid solution conduct electricity. Acid solution in water conduct electricity. These are the 4 basic identification points of acids, and the example of acids are sulfuric acid, acetic acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. So many examples are there. H2SO4, CH3COH, HNO3, HCl, the name is given. And next some part of this topic is types of acid. Two types of acids are there, mainly 2 types of acids are there. One are called natural acids. Again, natural means their source is natural, and the second one is mineral acid. Mineral actually means which we actually prepare. They are not, we don't get it naturally, but we prepare it in laboratory, or you can say it is man-made. So the acids which are man-made are called mineral acid, which are prepared from minerals, and they are prepared. We don't get naturally. And natural acids are those their source is natural. We get naturally from tomato, from lemon, from any other natural source. So natural acid, mineral acid. So again, their definition: natural acid which are obtained from natural sources are called natural acid or organic acids. And example दे रखी है natural acid की, methanoic acid, oxalic acid we get from tomato, citric acid we get from lemon. These are the sources of these acids, is natural sources. And next is mineral acid. Mineral acids are those acids which are man-made, or you can say which we prepare from minerals, are called mineral acid. The examples are HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. Name you should remember of these acid name you should remember. And that's all for today. Next time I will continue with the next topic.